Hi everyone, my name's Madison, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Little Rebel. So let's get started. I'm going to open it up. And we have our box. There's a couple pieces of tape that we'll have to undo, so super easy. Pull it out. Then there's one more here that we'll do. And then fold. Move this. And we'll move this. Okay, so our first box that we have is our extension table. We will not need that right now, so we are gonna grab it. We're gonna put it to the side. We have our Little Rebel box, and this box is super cute. It's a little pull tab. This one has all of our needed stop starts. It has our quilting plate, and it has our feet for quilting, and then all of our extra supplies. So this one's always handy to have out. Then you have your instructions and your products. So make sure you don't lose this. Then we have another box, that's the little tab. This is your toolkit. Make sure you don't lose this. This is super important. We'll move this. We have our installation box, and I'll show you what's in this one. So this one's just gonna be your cord, and then you have a couple thread screws. Shut that. Put that off to the side. Move this styrofoam, and you have your foot pedal. Our foot pedal is super cute. It says Grace Company on it, super fun. And it's blue, matches the Little Rebel. Okay, and then we have our thread mess. This is gonna be at our top. I'll show on this camera as well. And let's move that to the side. Okay, hit our first layer. We're cruising, we're doing so good. Okay, now we're gonna take this out. Just gonna pop it out gently. And keep coming. And the big reveal. You can probably not see the best view with the plastic, but with our Little Rebel, we are also getting a sample thread kit. It has a cute little bow on it too. Super stylish. We are loving all of this. And in the thread kit, you'll have some sample threads, and you'll also have a bobbin. So I'm gonna put that on this side. The big reveal, already seen it, the Little Rebel. It is so sleek, it is so nice. We're gonna have it pop out, and I'm gonna set it right here on the styrofoam. I'm gonna make sure I have everything, and then we are gonna pop this out of the box. And we're gonna set it right here. Okay. And then we're gonna make sure that we have all of our pieces. And I'm pretty sure we do, so. We're gonna put this box away, and we're gonna start playing with our Little Rebel. Okay, so our Little Rebel, super fancy. As you can see, we have it in sewing mode already for you. In the back here, this little tab that I'm pulling up at the top, that controls your foot, whether it's up or down. Before you get started with anything else, make sure that you grab your instruction and product information. This will tell you everything that you need for the Little Rebel and how it works. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So first thing we're seeing is we are gonna have our Unique book. It has just a couple of flyers, a couple of things to help get you started, and any other information that you'll need. The next thing in our box is gonna be our instruction manual. This will have all the information you need on the Little Rebel. It'll go over what every button does. It goes over how to wind a bobbin. It goes over absolutely everything that you will ever need with the Little Rebel. And it's super in detail, and it has pictures, so don't you worry if you don't feel confident yet, but you will. So it goes over both sewing mode and quilting mode, so super, super helpful for that. And then the couple last things that we have in here is we have our little sheet. This is more of just like a quick tips of what's in our instruction manual. So if you don't want your instruction manual out all the time, this will have basic information that you'll need for it. And then the last couple things that we have are, we have our quick start guide. This is also just quick tips and tricks that you'll need. Show it here. You have our tension guide. So with the tension guide, it goes over specifically every machine when sewing and quilting, on how to fix it and how to make sure that you have the right tension and how to fix it if you need. Then the last thing is our little book. This is our little house book. This will come with every machine. It teaches you how to piece, teaches you just a little bit on that. And we're really, really excited about it, especially me, because this is something I've been working on for a long time. So here's that. And that is all that's in our instruction book. So any questions, always refer back to this one. The next thing that we're gonna do is we are gonna install the part that holds the thread mass. So we're gonna pull off the plastic part and it goes right here and it just goes right in. So we're just gonna go here, we're gonna sink it in just slowly. And it's going, okay. That is all set up, super easy, super simple. And then the next part that you'll need is you need to plug in your machine. This part, not difficult at all. In your installation box, you have your power cord, and then you also have your thread mass screws. So for this is what goes in these two little holes on the side with the thread mass. We're gonna screw that in. Screw it in by hand first. And then this one. And then to tighten the screws in our toolbox, which is this box right here, it will have a mini flathead. So with the mini flathead, that's just gonna how you tighten your screws. This is my favorite tool because it's so cute and miniature. And then there we go. Let's grab this. It has a couple twist ties on it, so make sure that you take those off. And then there's a cap on it as well, and we will take that off. And then we just plug it in. I'm gonna push it in, and it holds it onto it, won't move. Keeps it there, keeps it easy. And our foot pedal, as I mentioned, super cute. We're actually just gonna plug it in right below our main plug. All right, after we have our foot pedal plugged in, we're gonna grab our extension table, pull it open, just like this, and it comes right out. Slide out quick and easy. Gonna put the box down. It has a film on it to protect it. We're just gonna take that off. It has a little tape job up here to make sure it stays. So we're just gonna tape that, tape this side, and we're gonna pull it out. Oh, the styrofoam's flying everywhere. We're gonna put this off to the side, and here is your extension table. I'm gonna show it off like a model. Hope this helps. But with our extension table, we actually have our feet set up so they just pop into place. Just gotta grab them, and they just immediately will come right up, and they stay in place. So you do not have to grab any screws for it or anything like that. Move them all so they come all right up. And let's get this over. I'm gonna move these two boxes to the back. When you're putting this on, if you go to try to put it on now, the foot's down and it won't let you. So make sure you put the foot up. I'm actually gonna grab that out and we are gonna slide this in. I'm just gonna keep sliding and it's gonna fit just like a glove. So don't be afraid to push just a little bit. And when it's in place, it'll lock into place and you are all set to go. I hope this video helped you out. And if you have gotten a little rebel, make sure that you go on our website and review it. We wanna hear your thoughts. We are so excited to hear from you. I hope this video was helpful for you and answered any questions that you do have. And also, I hope this video helped you be fearlessly creative. Thanks.